One of the wonderful things that remind man of his creator is nature. Nature offers comfort to those who grieve and company to those who are lonely. It also inspires the artist in man and strengthens his faith in the great creator. Our world looks like an enormous room with the earth as its floor and wide blue sky as a vast ceiling lighted by innumerable lamps, the twinkling stars and the lovely moon. Below is the rippling brook that seems to chatter as it hurriedly glides to join a brimming river on its long way to the deep blue sea. To Harold, the rebirth of each new day is the lovely dawn, the sun slowly peeping in the horizon until it is out in the clear blue sky in all its splendor. And to close each busy day is a glorious sunset, fiery in the distance. The sun slowly sinks in the horizon until darkness wraps this beautiful, wonderful world of ours.